Here you can see that I have the main wing and that I have applied the putty for covering all the holes and indentation onto the wing. And now I'm going to lightly sand it in order to have it very smooth. Then I'm going to attach these ribs right here, and when the glue is hardened, I will cover it with the wood. I have started to sand a little while ago, and as you can see from the dust that is here, it's very easy to sand this compound made of talc and epoxy resin. For sanding, I am aiding myself with a little bit of piece of plywood, 0.8 millimeters, the one that I used for the fuselage, and I have glued 120 grit sandpaper to it, so it will be easier for me to sand complex shapes like the airfoil. Here you can see that I have the sheeting for the wings, there are 4 of them, and now all I have to do is to cut them in a slightly bigger than the wing. That will prevent some problems during the vacuum bagging, and also I will have less overlapping to cut later. So now that I have cutted the first one, I will use this as a template for cutting the other ones. I have finished to cut all the skin pieces, and now I'm going to sand just one side of them, the side that will be glued onto the wing. The outer surface will be sanded after the skinning of the wing, after the resin has cured. And yes, so I will use the same 120 grit sandpaper and give just a light sand on all the surface. It's a pretty fast process. As you can see, when the wood has changed color, I don't sand anymore, and yes, this is just to smooth the surface for bonding purposes.